This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start inside Settings, go straight to Photos. Once done, you'll see toggles for iCloud photos and shared albums. We focus on shared albums to stop iCloud photo sharing without removing synced libraries. Make sure you're signed into the Apple ID used for sharing. This ensures you control shared albums for that account. If you manage multiple accounts, repeat these steps on each device. Now tap Photos so we can change the sharing toggle in the next step. In Photos settings, locate shared albums and switch it off. This immediately stops creating or receiving shared albums and prevents new shared items from appearing. When prompted, choose whether to keep previously downloaded shared content on the device. Keeping local copies preserves what you have without ongoing sharing. Note that turning this off does not delete your iCloud Photos library, it only disables the shared album feature. Once toggled, wait a few seconds for the setting to propagate across iCloud. After switching shared albums off, close Settings and restart the device to ensure the change applies. If shared albums re-enables or the toggle won't save, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in, then recheck Photos settings. This refreshes iCloud flags. Make sure other devices using the same Apple ID also disable shared albums to fully stop sharing. One troubleshooting tip. If shared items still appear, check Messages and Photos for locally saved copies. Remove them manually if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.